Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to delete or forget a subscriber. Deleting a subscriber can be done in two different ways: from the main list, group or segment page view, or on the subscriber's profile. However, forgetting a subscriber can only be directly on the subscriber's profile. It is a feature that is GDPR compliant. To do it, head to the subscribers page. On the main list, group or segment page, tick the boxes for the subscribers you want to delete. Click on the Actions button above the list after selecting at least one subscriber, and select Delete. From a subscriber's profile in your main list, a group or segment, find the subscriber you wish to delete. Click on their email address to view their profile. Click on Actions at the top right corner of the page. Select Delete or Forget. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this one.